Hello everyone, Mr.S here again, continuing our little exploration of rhythm leading on into notation. And today we're actually going to really start using notation properly, but still based around rhythmic stuff. So I've got a simple song for you today called Jelly on a Plate, which, just so you know how it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jelly on the plate, jelly on the plate, wibble wobble, jelly on the plate. So, what you will spot the more you hear this song is that the first, second and fourth phrases are all the same. Jelly on the plate is the same. The third line is the different one. So if we were to write down a structure for that, the structure would go A, B, A. First line is the same as the second line. Third line, a bit different. Fourth line, same as the first and second. Okay? Now, obviously the rhythm, therefore, is the same as well. Let's have a look at the rhythm. Now, I'm going to get my video fairies to put a picture on the screen, which should arrive now. So I've got here what's known as a rhythm box, and that splits up the beats of the bar so that you can very clearly see where each section of the rhythm falls. So first of all, we've got jelly, which are 2 quavers, 1 and. Now remember, with quavers, we want these to be extremely even. We don't want da-da, da-da, or da-da-da, da-da. Those are different rhythms completely. We want very equal 1 and 2 and. Okay, so let's just have a go through that rhythm. We've got jelly on the plate. That is then repeated. Now the third line, wibble wobble, and then we're back to the original rhythm. Okay, we're going to have a go at clapping through that rhythm now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Jelly on the plate, rest. Jelly on the plate, rest. Wibble wobble, jelly on the plate, rest. Worth bearing in mind that after the second wobble we need to keep on going. Just because we've got the end of a line, there's no gap. So we're going to go wibble wobble, straight on, jelly on the plate. Okay, just because we have our beats marked out, or when we get onto the full music, we'll have bar lines. That's just there to help us as humans not get confused by where we are. It's just there as little landmarks to tell us that we've completed a bar. The music itself doesn't care. It needs to flow and carry on. Okay? Right. We're going to have a go now with an accompaniment. We're going to hear the little jelly on a plate tune come through twice, and we're going to have a go then. You'll hear the melody start and we'll start clapping. Okay? So here we go. Feel the pulse. Here it comes. 3, 4, go. And rest. Rest. Wibble wobbles. Your turn. Wibble. Good job. Okay, very good. So I think we got the rhythm down. We're now going to look at some notation. It's getting serious now. So on the screen is the melody written down as musical notation. So let's just break down what you're seeing there. So the left hand side of the stave of the 5 lines, you're going to see the curly shaped symbol, which is the treble clef. The treble clef is just there to tell us which set of notes we're using. Okay, then we get a little symbol that looks like a hashtag. That's called a sharp sign. Again, that's just telling us which particular set of notes we're using for our scale. In this case, we're using the scale of G major. The next symbol are 2 numbers. It looks like a fraction. We've got 4/4. That's just telling us that we've got 4 quarter notes, 4 crotchet beats in a bar. So each bar is going to last for 4 counts. We've got the symbols then with the melody. We've got 2 quavers followed by another 2 quavers and this hollow shaped note, which is called a minim in British music, or in American it's called a half note. Half of 4 is 2, it lasts for 2 beats. Okay, so we've got 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Do 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 do. Okay, how do I know what's telling me how high or how low to sing the tune? We're talking about pitch now. We've got these 5 notes. The first pair of quavers are on the 3rd line up, which I have learned is a B note. In our G scale, that is the Mi part of our Do Re Mi scale. Okay, so I'm going to break down this melody now using the hand signals that we've had a look at previously in class. Okay, if you remember, Do, Re, Mi. I better sing them. Do, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol. That Sol note we're going to hear later on. Sol, Sol. We're going to hear is the lower version. It's still Sol, it's still the 5th note of our scale, but we're going to hear the low version. Okay? So our melody's going to go Mi, Mi, Re, Re, Do. Mi, Mi, Re, Re, Do. Sol, 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 Do, 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 Do. Mi, Mi, Re, Re, Do. Let's try it again. Try and copy me and have a go at singing it. Okay? That's our first note. It's a Mi. Mi, Mi, Re, Re, Do. Mi, Mi, Re, Re, Do. Sol, 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 Do, 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 Do. Mi, Mi, Re, Re, Do. Let's try that same exercise with the backing track. Okay, ready? 3, 4. Mi, Mi, Re, Re, Do. Mi, Mi, Re, Re, Do. Sol, 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 Do, 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 Do. Mi, Mi, Re, Re, Do. One more time. Good job. Okay, so I'm going to end off this video. I'm going to put up the sheet with the melody with the words and also a version with the note names. I'm going to put that up on screen. If you play an instrument, the piano or clarinet or the trumpet or recorder or something like that, and you'd like to have a go at playing along instrumentally, by all means. If not, I'd like you to have a go at singing the melody with the words this time, okay? So again, we'll use the backing track, and this is the bit, please, that I'd like you to record and share with me, please. I'd like to hear your version of Jelly on a Plate. I know it's a silly song, but it's a good starting point for us to get into notation. Okay, so I'd like you to have a go at either singing along or playing along with the melody of Jelly on a Plate using this backing track. Okay, hope you're safe and well, and I'll catch you again next time. Here's the backing track. 2, 3, 4, go!